Praise ye the Lord, for it is good, praise to our God to sing. For it is pleasant, and to praise it is a comely thing. God doth build up Jerusalem, and he it is alone, that the dispersed of Israel doth gather into one. Those that are broken in their heart, and grieved in their minds, he healeth, and their painful wounds he tenderly upbinds. He counts the number of the stars, he names them every one. Great is our Lord, and of great power. His wisdom search can none. The Lord lifts up the meek, and casts the wicked to the ground. Sing to the Lord, and give him thanks. On harp his praises sound. Who covereth the heaven with clouds, who for the earth below prepareth rain, who maketh grass upon the mountains grow. He gives the beast his food, he feeds the ravens young that cry. His pleasure not in horses' strength, nor in man's legs doth lie, but in all those that do him fear, the Lord doth pleasure take. In those that to his mercy do, by hope themselves betake.